Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kita, and today we have one of my reborn creations. This baby girl was created from the Realborn 3-month Joseph Awake kit, and she weighs 10 pounds, 4.5 ounces, and she's approximately 23 inches long. This baby is so chunky. And for this video, I'm going to call her Joe. Joe has soft, premium, mono-rooted, curly human hair with a hybrid mono-rooted full hairline. Each follicle contains only one strand of hair and has been triple sealed on the inside. And you can actually see me rooting this baby in a video that's on my channel right now, so go over and check that out. She actually has mono rooted eyebrows, applied eyelashes, and the most beautiful hazel glass eyes. She will also come with a non-gender specific torso that runs from here to here. Her paint has been sealed with a gentle matte and satin sealing with a slight texture, and she has appropriate glossing throughout. As you can see, her nails have been tipped and glossed. She also has her ears pierced. And she has a light baby scent. I didn't want to go too heavy with that. And Joe will also come with a custom Chanel inspired onesie. As you can see, it's a Chanel baby. She also has a Chanel inspired pacifier, magnetic, that sits flush to her face. She also has a matching Chanel inspired pacifier clip, along with another bling flush magnetic pacifier. She has the cutest little leg warmers, and she'll also have a silver bracelet. I am most proud of the work that I did on her hair. I just love her. Her little feet. Very detailed kit. And as you see, with her custom items, she will also come with a very large welcome home package. There are a number of items here. And I still have to make her bottle, but I'll be doing that soon. She also has some shoes. Yes, lots of goodies for her new mommy when she gets one. Please keep in mind that this welcome home package is actually valued at right around $350. But I will have some pictures at the end of this video, and I'll actually try to post a link of some additional photos and how you can make this baby girl yours if you are interested. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave those down in the comments below. And friends, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this sweet baby girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to share this video. And I appreciate you so very much. And until the next time.
that.